Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to learn how to leverage AI integration in Pabbly Chatflow for automated responses. Let's suppose I am running a business and I receive many queries on WhatsApp from the customer. I completely want to automate this process of replying to my customers as this will consume a lot of my time. So I've created this automation or a WhatsApp automation with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now I've created an AI agent which is automatically going to reply to all the customer queries. With the help of Pabbly Chatflow, I've created an AI agent, and whenever a user sends me the message, automatically the reply will be sent with the help of this AI agent which I've created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you want to learn the step-by-step process, then let me take you all to my screen.
So here in this video, we are going to see how to leverage AI responses in Pabbly Chatflow for automated responses. For this, I've created an AI agent with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, and now we are going to see, I'm going to message here and we are going to see whether I am receiving the automated replies based on my query or not. But before that, let me quickly take you towards Pabbly community. So you can join the Pabbly community to connect with business owners, experts and the support team. You can share tips, ask questions and get quick solutions to your automation challenges. You can stay updated on new features, collaborate with thousands of users who help and support each other every day. Now, if you want to learn how you can join this community, then please check out the link given in the description. Now, let's quickly move back towards WhatsApp. So here I am going to send a message and you will see within few seconds, I am going to receive an automated reply. Here I have sent, "Hello, please give details of your products." And here I have received a detailed message. Of course, here is a detailed overview of our products. Headphones, game pod, microphones, Bluetooth speaker, earbuds, sound bars, and then the rest of the details. I have received the key features and the price of each product. Now let's suppose I want to message like, so here I have written, "I want to buy this particular product. Please tell the process." Now let's wait for the reply. And here it has sent me great choice. How you can buy this product, visit our store. This is the store location. You can purchase this online from this particular link. We have these payment options and the delivery will take these many takes. So it has provided me the complete details. Now let's suppose I want to write, what is the warranty? So here it has given me the complete warranty detail. All products sold by Sound Gear come with a 6-month manufacturer warranty. This warranty covers any manufacturing defects and ensure that you are protected against the issue that may arise under normal use. We have received the warranty details. So whatever questions I'm asking about the product and this business, it is automatically giving me the detailed answer to that with all the complete and the factual and the technical knowledge. So now to learn how to create this AI agent and a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, let's start creating this from the beginning. To visit Pabbly Chatflow, we simply need to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow. And after browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in. And if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free. As I'm an existing user, I'll go with the sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Chatflow Access Now. And here it has taken me towards this dashboard. You can see the credits allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. To add a new WhatsApp number, you simply need to click on this add WhatsApp number. You can connect your WhatsApp number with the help of this WhatsApp Connect, or you can use a manual token to create your own Pabbly Chatflow account. Here I have already created my Chatflow account, and on the left hand side where you can see all these options, we have created a very detailed video on all of these features. So if you want to learn more on these features, then please check out our YouTube channel. Now we are going to create this AI agent for automated responses to our customers. On the left hand side where I can see all these options, I can see this AI assistant. So I'm going to open this AI assistant and we can see the total AI assistant, active AI assistant and the inactive AI assistant. Now to create a new AI assistant, I simply need to click on this add AI assistant. Let's open this. So here I have to first name this. So let's say the name of this AI assistant is Sound Gear Electronics. I'm going to simply click on this Add AI Assistant, and then it has taken me towards this page. Now from here, we are going to create this AI assistant. So here we have all these options: AI instructions, knowledge base, assistant interface, and the styling. So I'm first going to enter this AI instructions. First, I'm going to select the instruction type. So I'm going to create this AI agent. I have selected that, and automatically the instructions are added, the primary functions, constraints, and then the rest of the details. If you want to add more instructions, you can add that, and your AI agent is automatically going to reply based on the instructions which you have added. Then I'm going to select this temperature. Under this AI configuration, we have this temperature. So here the temperature allows the models to be more or less creative in their output. If I reduce this temperature, the model's creativity will reduce. If I higher this temperature, its ability to generate more random results will increase. So I'm going to keep this as 0.7. I'm going to select my AI as OpenAI, and then I'm going to select the model as GPT-4o Mini. Here I'm going to enter my API key. And after entering my key, I simply need to click on connect, and here we can see the OpenAI key saved successfully. So here we have this AI assistant settings now. If you want to add any header message, you can turn this on and then enter the header message. If you want to enter the footer message, you can turn this on and enter the message, and it will start appearing over here. If you want to provide any stop keyword, you can turn this on and then you can provide the keyword like that. So here if someone suppose enters the message like this, stop. You have entered this first stop keyword and the customer enters this stop, then your AI agent will stop replying. Then we have this retry attempt. You can enter the attempts, number of attempts here, and then we have this fallback message. So this is the message which I've created for the fallback. This is the default message. I'm here to assist you with questions related to company information or support. If you want to add something else, like you want to add the contact details or anything else in the fallback message, whenever your AI does not have the particular knowledge about the question or the query which your customer is asking, they are going to send this particular fallback message. So here we are done with this, and now moving on towards the next step, which is knowledge source. So here I'm going to select the knowledge source as upload file. I'm going to click on this cloud, and then I have already downloaded the knowledge base. I've created a knowledge base. I've downloaded this, and I'm simply going to select that particular knowledge base. So here I have uploaded this knowledge base in .txt format, and we have to make sure that we upload this in the same format itself. And then I'm going to open this knowledge source for you. So this is the knowledge base which I have created. I have entered the Sound Electronics complete details, the introduction, the opening hours, the phone number, contact details, and then the Facebook or the Instagram, which means the social media handles. And then I have entered the type of products, the range, their price, their details, and then I have added the delivery details. I have added the payment details. Then I have added the frequently asked questions also, like the warranty, discount, EMI option, how can I track my order, and then the complete details. I've created a very detailed knowledge base about my products, about my services, about my business, and then I have uploaded this particular knowledge base to my AI agent in Pabbly Chatflow. So we have to create a very detailed knowledge base, and we have to provide that knowledge to this AI assistant. We have to train this AI assistant, and based on that knowledge base which we have added here, it is going to reply to my customers. So here we are done with this. Next, moving on to this assistant interface. So here you can provide the brand name. The name of my brand is Sound Gear Electronics. So I have entered that, and then the header message will be, we are online and happy to assist you. Then I want to keep this initial message like this only. If you want to disable this, you will see the powered by Pabbly will be removed. I want to keep this enabled. So I've selected that. Then in the privacy policy, I have entered as the footer text, and I have added the privacy policy link also. Then if someone suppose enters this message, then if you want, you can add the user first message also. Moving on to the next step, here we have the styling. Now over here you can see we are working on this light mode. If you want to select the dark mode, you can see this is how your AI assistant will appear. Then you can select the assistant shape as circle, square or rounded square. And then you can select the background color also. Here we have these colors. I want to select the default colors only. I'm not going to change this. So if you want to enter the header profile picture, you can do that. If you want to enter the assistant profile picture, you can do that. You simply need to click on this cloud and upload the image. Here we are done with all the options. We have created our AI agent, and now after creating this, we have to save this AI assistant. So I'm going to toggle on this button and simply click on this AI assistant, save AI assistant, and here the AI assistant saved successfully. You can also embed this AI assistant which you have created to your websites with the help of this code. You can simply copy and paste this code to your website and this AI assistant will start operating there. Here we also have this option of start chat and then scan QR. If I open this, you will be able to scan this and then send the message. So here we have saved this AI assistant. We have successfully created this AI assistant. Now on the left hand side where I can see all these options, I'm going to click on this settings and then go towards this inbox settings. This is the very important step which we need to follow while creating or activating this AI assistant. I have opened this in this inbox settings. If I scroll down, I can see this option of AI auto reply settings. So I'm going to enable this. And as I do this, I can see this add more rules. So I'm going to select the contact list. These are the contact list which I have created, and then I'm going to select my AI assistant which I want to assign. Now I have enabled this AI assistant, and if I select the AI assistant one by one going on each contact, this will be a very tedious and a time consuming task and also very illogical. So that's why I've created a complete contact list. If you want to select the all contacts, you can do that, or if you have created any list, you can select that list and then you can assign the AI assistant to that particular list and then simply click on the save, and here inbox settings saved successfully. We have successfully activated this particular AI assistant to all our contacts. Now I'm going to go back towards my WhatsApp and I'm quickly going to message like, tell me about your business. So this is a very casual question. We are going to check here that whether this AI assistant is working or not, and here it is. Within few seconds, we have received this reply. We specialize in high quality audio gadgets, including headphones, earphones, earbuds, Bluetooths, soundbars and studio microphones. We have received this response in no time. Based on the knowledge base which we have uploaded, it has given me this response. So here we have successfully created this AI agent or AI assistant with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. I hope you liked this video and understood this video very well. Thanks for watching.
Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free and create your own WhatsApp chatbot.